What's up, everybody? It's me, the Gaming Pickle, back with another video today. And today is Friday, which I'm recording this on. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm late because yesterday was Thanksgiving. But at least I said it. At least it's not like a day where I forget. But today, I'm starting a new series. And the series is called TIO, the uncamper. TIO has to stop campers from camping. So, the first map I'm going to do is house. So let's get this all situated. So guys, you see a camper camping. Get him just by jumping. To get him with TIO the uncamp. So this is how you get the camper. Boom! And on the screen it shows the camper getting moved upstairs, which is really cool. Alright, on to the next map, which is gallery. Alright, we're at the gallery. There's the camper. There we go. TIO the uncamper is here to save the day. So to get this camper, all you have to do is run and jump. If you want me to show you a little slower, I can. And don't do that. Just making sure no fishies get in here. Placing a trap. I'll try and show you which stair you jump off of. Nope, don't jump off the fourth stair. Yeah, you jump off the third stair of the staircase, but you want a good head start. Boom! Squish! The next map is going to be mall. So, in the mall map, TIO is once again dancing. And there's a camper in this map. And the camper doesn't like being TIO'd. Can't reach him. If he was a little to the side, if he was like standing right here, we could have gotten him. I could use a black hole trap, but that would ruin the shot. Am I right? See this wisdom and see a moi. And here's the launch key. Wanna know what I said? I said, got him! Boom, I just smacked him in a wall. Next map is the out. Alright guys, so TIO is once again dancing. His hat is clipping through the wall. Alright, back to the task at hand. Destroying wisdom. There's a few things you can do with outposts. One of my favorite things you can do. Yoink! Boom, I'm on top of the tank. Better watch out. Kids, TIO knows how to drive a tank. On my way, soldier. But today's camper is right. So I unlocked the blue key. Of course, he's up there. My hat is literally touching him. I can literally jump up and catch him. But what's the fun of that? jumping up and getting him when you could just literally scare him. Like, look how much fun this is. Don't ask why it says E-Dance. He even knows what's gonna happen. But I'm gonna show you a better way. Well, a cool thing you can do with TIO. So guys, I want to test out this funny thing. If Wisdom activates the tank, which he has the gas for, and if TIO's on top of it, will TIO come with the tank? And of course TIO's dancing, so it's more humor. Of course he doesn't. But we can make him. Now, have you guys ever wondered what's it like to be on top of a building? Because I have. Just gonna get on top of the tank and just give me a few tries. Just one, just like one more time. Guys, I can assure you, I can definitely get on top of, on top of this. See, guys, I told you I wasn't lying. Now, Piggy's the camper. Wanna know what I have to say to that? Boom, not no. Boom, no. Yeah, guys, but you're jealous of me. See, I'm dancing on top of a roof, and you can't even get on a roof. Look at that fool down there, trying to escape. Oh, he's trying to get on top of the tank. Oh, haha, what a loser that guy is. Oh. Wanna know what I have to say? Boom, and boom, and boom. Alright, who has the better dance move now? Gorg, if that's even your real name. It's just a normal house chapter, definitely not being sus. Don't, just pretend he's not Gorg. Just keep on dancing, just keep on dancing. You saw nothing. Well, guys, I got to admit something. I turned back the clock of time. I rewinded time, and I'm like a year back in the past. Everyone's jealous. I'm all back in time. Like, I'm the only one who can do this. Totally. I would never tell a lie, would I? See, my heart is white. I'm telling you, my heart is real good. Just man, let me in. Let me in the jail cell. I totally went back like 9 years in time. 9 whole years, totally. That's before some of us were even born, wasn't it? Wasn't it? Wait, how did this open? Gorg? Don't even think about it, Gorg. Of course, Gorg ran away super fast. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I sure did, because I loved beating up Wisdom. If you guys have any more camping spots in Book 1 and Book 2, let me know. And if you can't type in comments, just punch the comments, because it's annoying. I try to let them turn on, but nobody lets me have my fun, don't they? Don't let. Gorg, was your only mistake, Gorg. Well, but that. Oh yeah, guys, just status update. I have 2 more skins left. 2 more. Technically 3 because I don't have Bakari, but I literally have everything except 2 skins and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 traps. 3 skins, 5 traps. But I'm never gonna have one of those skins or one of those traps because they're gone forever because they're secret skins. I just want it so bad. Why can't you let me do this, Mini-Toon? Mini-Toon, just can you let me buy every single skin, Mini-Toon, please? Mini-Toon? 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 Well, make sure to hit the bell, like the video, share with all your peeps, friends, peeps, and subscribe. I hope you have a great day, and I just want to say